Hello students, welcome to my channel School Online 24/7 and today I am going to describe the second chapter which belongs to your honeysuckle book and this chapter is for class 6. First of all, we should discuss the title of this chapter and if you want to watch the Hindi explanation of this chapter then you should watch the Hindi explanation which I have already uploaded to my channel. Okay, let us start the chapter. Before you read, first of all, check before you read. You may know that dog and the wolf are closely related. Means in this line, you also know about the dog and the wolf. They are look alike. Means they are very similar because they are close relatives. You may also know something about how over the centuries human beings have domesticated means when a wild animal um, be tamed or um, those animals human beings used as a pet. Here is a story about how the dog became a tame animal of human beings. So let us discuss and start the chapter. First of all, I want to describe the name of the chapter, how the dog found himself a new master. Means about this title, the author want to describe that the story of a dog and how he searched a new master for himself. Look at the first paragraph of this chapter. Dogs were once their own masters and lived the way wolves do, in freedom, until a dog was born who was ill pleased with this way of life. He was sick and tired of wandering about by himself. Means, in this paragraph, the narrator wants to explain that once upon a time there was a dog who lived in a jungle. He was very sick and tired of wandering here and there in the jungle without any owner, and he looks like he resembles just like a wolf, but he was sick and he was scared about by the other animal who was stronger than him. So he decided to search a master for himself. Look at the second paragraph. And he decided to this to search his master, and he want to a master who was stronger than any other animal, means who was strongest beast in the earth. So he started his search. He thought it over and decided that the best thing for him to do was to become the servant of one who was stronger than anyone on the earth, and he set out to find such a master. Means when he thought about it that he will start his search, so he thought first of all that the best thing for his search, he wants to become a servant of those animal who was stronger than any other creature on the earth. So He decided it and he started his search. Look at the third paragraph. He walked and he met a kinsman. Kinsman means relative. So he started his search. First of all, he met his close relative, a wolf, who was stronger as he was fierce also. For fierce means very dangerous. Where you are going, dog? The wolf asked. And after this, the wolf asked to the dog, where are you going, my dear relative? I am looking for someone to take up service with. Would you like to be my master wolf? And when the dog heard the question of wolf, he said to the wolf, I am searching someone who will become my master, and I want to do service that particular creature. And he proposed to the wolf, would you like to be my master wolf? And when the wolf heard about the proposal of the dog, he thought it and he said to the dog, what he said, look at the, I don't see why not. The wolf said, and this agreed upon. The two of them went on together. And when the wolf found the proposal of the dog, he agreed to him. Agreed means admit or accepted. He accepted his proposal. Admit. The two of them went together, and after this, both of them went together. They walked and they walked, and all of a sudden the wolf lifted his nose, sniffed, darted quickly off the path and into the bushes and crept deeper into the forest. The dog was much surprised. When both are walking along the path, suddenly the wolf lifted his nose and he was sniffing some smell. Sniffed means draw up air audibly through the nose to detect a smell. Means he felt a smell. When he was feeling that smell, he was quickly back from his path. Path means way. And he went deeper into the forest. And crept means move closely and slowly along the ground. The dog was much surprised when the dog looked this condition of the wolf. He was surprised. Surprised means wonder. And he think about this. What was he doing? What has come over you, master? He asked. What has frightened you so? When the dog looked the condition of his master, he asked to his master, what is come over you? Come over means victory. He asked to his master, and what was the reason? What was the reason of your frighting? Frighting means afraid or feared. Can't you see? There is a bear out there. He might eat up both of us, you and me. And when the wolf heard the question of the dog, he told the dog, "You can't see, there is a bear, and if he notices the presence of your and me, he certainly eat up us, and it is better to keep deep in the forest." The wolf advised to the dog. Look at the next paragraph, paragraph number 5. Seeing that the bear was stronger than the wolf, the dog decided to take up service with him, and he left the wolf and asked the bear to be his master. The bear agreed to this riddle, and when the dog noticed the condition of the wolf, and he noticed that the bear was stronger than the wolf, so he decided to take the service of bear, and he left the wolf's service, and he proposed to the bear that, "Would you like to be my master?" And bear admit his proposal, means bear accepted the dog's ownership. And after this, he said, means bear said to the dog, "Let us go and find a herd of cow." Herd of cow means, and bear said to the dog, "We should find out a herd." Herd means group of cows. Herd means group of cows. "I will kill a cow, and then we can both eat our fill." And when I means I is indicated to bear there. And when I kill a cow, we both means bear and dog, they both ate the cow's flesh. Look at the sixth paragraph. They walked on and soon saw a herd of cows. They both means dog and bear walking, and finally they got a herd. Herd means group of cows. They both found a group of cow, but just as they were about to come up to it, they were stopped by a terrible noise. Means when they is indicated their cow. When the cows noticed the presence of dogs and bear, they were stopped by terrible noise. Terrible means very unpleasant. Means they stopped and they are feeling very, means they were feeling very dizzy, and the cow were mooning. Mooning is the sound and voice of cows, and you can say mooning will be the behavior or move in the restless movement and animal-less manner. And they are loudly, mooning loudly means crying loudly, you can say it, and running here and there with a panic condition. Panic means they are in terror and they are very feared, very fearful about the presence of bear because they knew that bear uh, is here for killing them. Look at the 7th paragraph. The bear looked out from behind a tree and then he too ran hastily deeper into the forest. And the bear and the dog looked all these things behind the tree. And when the dog and the bear was behind the tree, bear noticed something and he also means bear also ran very hastily. Hastily means in hurry. He was in hurry and he was also went into the deep means into the bushes of the forest. Look at the next paragraph. Now, why did I have to come here? Means the dog said to the bear, what was the reason, what was the matter behind of this, why we both come here? It is the lion who rules the forest in this part. Then the bear replied to the dog, there was a lion and he ruled in this part of the jungle. The bear replied to the dog, the lion, who is he? Then when the dog heard this thing, he became very surprised and he asked to the bear, the lion, who is the lion? Don't you know he is the strongest beast on the earth? Then the bear replied, you don't know lion. What is this? And the lion is the greatest and the strongest animal of the jungle and he is the strongest beast in the jungle and on the earth also. Well, then I will goodbye to you, bear. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on the earth. And when the dog heard this thing by the bear, he will say goodbye to the bear means he left the company service of the bear and he said to the bear that he was be the servant of that master who is strongest than any other on the earth. And of the dog went to ask the lion to be his master. Means when the dog left the service of the bear, he went off to the lion and asked to be his master and he proposed to the lion, would you like to be my master, sir? Then the lion agreed to his proposal and the dog stayed with the lion a long time and he served him for a long time because it was a good life and he had nothing to complain of, for there was no strongest beast in the forest than the lion, and no one dared touch to the dog or offend him in any way. Means in this paragraph you find that the lion was the strongest animal and who agreed to the ownership of the dog. Means at that time the lion was be the master of the dog and the dog stayed with the lion for a long time, because the dog's life was a good life, and no one had dared to touch the dog who was the servant of the lion, because lion was the strongest beast in the forest. So no animal had dared to touch the dog and offend him. Offend means to be scared to him in any way. Paragraph number 9. But one day the two of them were walking side by side along the path that ran amid bar cliffs, when all of a sudden the lion stopped. He gave a great roar and struck the ground angrily with his paws with such force that a hole formed there. Then he began to back away very quietly. But one day, both of them means lion and dog, both of them was walking by the footpath, by the side of the footpath, and that ran amid bar cliffs. Cliffs means a steep high rock, and when the high rock means edge of, it was the edge of the sea, and there the way was rocky, and suddenly the lion stopped there. A particular place, lion stopped, and he gave a great roar, and he struck his paws very angrily. He angrily means he was very furious to that time. He was in high temperament, and he struck his paws. When he struck at the ground, by this act, the ground had a great hole, had a big hole by this act of the lion. And then the lion began to go back in the forest very silently, very quietly. What is it, master? Is anything wrong? Asked the dog, surprised. And when the dog looked at the condition of the lion, condition of his master, he asked to his master that, is anything wrong there? Why are you going back, and why are you reacting just like this? Then the lion said to the dog, I smell a man is coming in this way, in the same way. The lion said, we had better to run for it, or we will be in trouble. When the lion noticed the presence of a man, he told to the dog that we had to better to run from this place. If we stayed there, we will be in trouble. Trouble means problem. Look at the next paragraph. Oh, well, then I will say goodbye to you, lion. I want a master who is stronger than anyone on the earth. When the dog know this fact that the lion is not the strongest animal on the earth, he said to the lion that this is the time to say you goodbye. And he left the service of lion, and he said to the lion, I want that master who is stronger than anyone on the earth. And now we will discuss the last paragraph of this chapter. And off the dog went to join the man, and he stayed with him and served with him faithfully. This happened long, long ago, but to this way the dog is man's most loyal servant and knows no other master. And in this way, the dog became the pet of human beings. Means the dog left the company of lion and he joined the company of a man, and he served man from that time till now, and he became faithful and loyal animal of the human beings. So this is the story of the topic, how the dog found himself and a new master. Means from this way the dog found himself a master. And who was his master? His master was, is, and will be a man. So man is the master, is the new master, or was the new master of the dog. So I hope you all understand the video very well, and if you has any problem and face any problem about this topic regarding to this chapter, you can leave your comment on the comment box. I will definitely solve your problem. And if you understand this video, comment, like and share, and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for other uploads. Thanks for watching this.